let's get one thing straight. One thing straight out of this whole video. We're gonna get one thing straight. Yes, physical attraction matters. Yes, it is important to look good, ladies. It's okay to put your makeup on, to look good, to be fit, or to really embrace your body and be comfortable in your skin. But this is the thing. But that's not enough. It's not enough just to be physically attractive, because at the end of the day, there's a lot of women out there that men are going to find attractive. He may not only find you attractive. So just having physical attraction, that's not enough, and that's not going to be enough. The idea that men only care about looks is a complete myth. I don't know who came up with that concept. I don't know where it came from, but it is a complete myth. It is not the truth. I'm gonna clear it up. A man may be initially drawn in by physical attraction. A man may be initially drawn by physical beauty, but that's not gonna keep him to stay. Again, it may hook him to get to talk to you and things of that nature, but it's not going to keep him. It's not going to have him want to be staying around with you just because you are physically attractive. What keeps a man is a deeper connection than that. It is deeper than just physical attraction. Your energy keeps a man around. Like if you have positive energy, you have good vibes, a man's always going to be attracted to that. That's going to get a man more than just physical looks. Like if you have good energy, and you're just a pleasant person to be around, you don't come with no drama, you don't come with no BS or no baggage, that is going to be more attractive to a man. And also your confidence. How confident are you? And I want to break this down just a little bit more, because confidence is something that comes within. It doesn't come from somebody always pouring it into you. Now, initially, somebody may be able to make that connection with you and say certain things or do certain things to help build your confidence. But if you already come with that, if you already come with that, you're already confident who you are, you have clear direction on where you see your life, that's going to be more attractive to a man than just your physical looks. Now, your energy and your confidence are going to be things that keep a man around, right? But physical attraction, it may open the door again, it may open the door, but it's not going to keep the man around. Now, I want to get a little bit more deeper into it and talk about confidence and self-respect. Confidence is magnetic. A woman who knows her worth, has standards, and does not settle for anything less than respect. Now, here's the truth of the matter. Men respect women who respect themselves. A man will respect the woman who respects himself. Now, if a man does not respect you, it doesn't mean that he's not going to have sex with you. It doesn't mean he's not going to take you on a date. It really means that for the long haul, you're not the one. If you constantly seek validation from a man, that's not attractive at all. That's not going to keep a man, because a man's always going to feel like he needs to boost you up. He's always going to feel like he needs to pour into you. And he should pour into you. He should tell you that you're beautiful and all those great things. And, you're a wonderful person and you're the sexiest woman that he ever knew. Like that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about things that you cannot do for yourself. Because if a man is able to tell you that you're beautiful, you should already know that you're beautiful. It should just enhance what you already know about yourself. It shouldn't be the only thing that you cling on to. Because as a man, that can be very exhausting if we feel like we need to always boost you up and we always need to build up your confidence. And you may have low moments, like these are all caveats as well to scenarios. You may have moments where you may need to be built up and you may need your confidence. You may need to lean on a man. That's perfectly fine. But if you don't come with that already, a man's going to be super exhausted and not going to want to really make things serious with you. If you prioritize happiness and growth, he will admire that. If you prioritize that you are able to elevate yourself to happiness and growth, a man will admire that. And that comes with the foundation of having confidence and self-respect. Now, a man wants a partner and not a project, all right? So a man who is seeking a woman, he wants a partner and not a project. And showing him that you love yourself, you love your own life, and that you just want him to be a part of your life, that is going to keep a man around. Now, men want peace and not drama, all right? So let's be real, all right? Let's be for real. Nobody wants to be in a relationship that feels like a battlefield, all right? Nobody wants to be in a relationship that feels like war all the time. It feels like there's a constant fight and there's always a constant eagerness to want to be right and trying to prove yourself and not feeling as if you're respected in the relationship. A mature man values a woman that is able to bring peace into his life. I'll stop the video right there. Okay, I'm gonna stop hitting record right there. A man is gonna value a woman who brings peace into his life. It means handling challenges with emotional intelligence. It doesn't mean that you guys aren't gonna have arguments. It doesn't mean that you guys are not going to get into riffs or things of that nature. What it really means is that you guys know how to argue. You guys know how to express yourself. You know how to use I statement. You understand what's under that anger as opposed to just acting out and lashing out all the time. Men, we want to feel safe emotionally, just like y'all do, just like women do. We want to feel like we can be in a safe emotional space so that we can be vulnerable, so that we can build, so that we can see a future with you. A peaceful woman is a powerful woman. I'm gonna say that again. A peaceful woman is a powerful woman. When a man feels emotionally safe, he's going to make a true investment in the relationship. Now, another part of this is what men really want is to feel valued and appreciated. A man does not just want to be needed. He wants to feel valued. And what men we want is to feel like our love, our effort, and our protection are appreciated. Compliments are huge. Compliments can be the biggest thing that you can give a man in order for you to keep that man and attract that right man for you. Now, man, we may say, okay, I don't like compliments, or I don't like to have the spotlight on me and I just do what I do and things of that nature. But I'm gonna tell you right now, like even when my wife gives me compliments, I love it. I love it to death. I promise you, I love compliments. And what we want to hear is compliments on our intelligence. Oh, babe, you so smart. Our work ethic. Oh, babe, you work so hard and I appreciate your work. The way he treats you, like I appreciate you taking us out on dates and I appreciate you courting me. I appreciate you just giving me things that I may not even ask for. Compliments, 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 compliments. What men we really want, and we may not admit it, but I'm admitting in this video, is that we enjoy compliments. When a man feels like he's enough, he's gonna give you more. And by giving your man compliments, that's more fuel in the tank. That's more fuel in the tank. It's, sometimes as men, we put on so much and we get so down on ourselves. And sometimes that little spark of that appreciation can drive us to heights we probably never thought we can get to. Men, we are very sensitive. We are very emotionally driven sometimes. So having that compliment in the true dire of need, that's going to more important than those physical looks. It's going to be more important than, what we see on the outside, because you're able to really help us internalize our emotions and give us that boost that we need. Now, the last part of this is, men, we crave a deep emotional connection. Now, this part gets overlooked a lot. And the reason why this gets overlooked because men and emotions usually don't even run in the same sentence. Men, we are very emotional beings. We are very emotionally driven. So for men, we crave emotional intimacy just as much as women do. The problem is we don't know how to express it. That's the problem, is that we don't really know how to express it. And the man wants a partner who listens and understands and supports him. That's just the fact of the matter. We appreciate those things. Again, we appreciate those things, and that's the things that we want from a woman. A man may not easily open up, but when he does, how you respond will determine whether if he stays around or not. I would say this much, and I'm gonna close on this part. When a man opens up, most definitely act like you won the lotto. Because if he's opening up to you and he doesn't feel like he's emotionally safe with you, that's gonna be the last time he opens up to you. And if you want to keep that man around and be serious, you have to be able to be receptive and open up to the vulnerability part of what he's saying to you. So in conclusion, what men really want. We want respect, peace, appreciation, and an emotional connection overall. That's physical looks, again, may draw us in, but it's not going to keep us. Because if we're missing those things, a man's not going to be happy and satisfied in a relationship. That's just point blank period. Now, it's not about being perfect, it's about being real, confident, and emotionally available for a man. You know, you may not get all these things correct, and I wouldn't expect perfection from anybody, but you have to have that willingness to be able to do these things in order for you to keep the man that you desire to be with. Now, I want to hear from y'all in the comments. Why do you think one of these qualities that I mentioned is super important in building a healthy relationship? I want to hear from y'all in the comments and what y'all think. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all those great things, you know, the mantra that I give at the end of the videos. Or if you even know somebody who is struggling with knowing what a man wants, share it with them. Share it. Don't just hold this knowledge for yourself. Be able to share these tips that I provided in this video. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Until next time, y'all take care.